Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error 404. The preview could not be loaded in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see error 404. So we are going to fix it. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see tools, so click on it. Now tools open and then you see regenerate CSS and data, so click on it, and then you see sync library, so click on it. So after that we are going to regenerate or recreate permalinks. Now save and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. After that on left side you see setting and then you see permalink, so click on it. So we are in permalink setting and then scroll down. You see post name and then click on save changes, so click on it. So after that our issue will be fixed. If your issue is not fixed, then you can uninstall hello theme and then install your theme again, or you can check plugin conflict. Now settings saved. Go to edit template and refresh the page and then you see page or Elementor header loading. So our issue is fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.